In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a promo code for Hostinger. If you want to save money when purchasing a hosting plan, using a promo code is usually a quick and simple step. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basic process in a clear way so you know exactly what to do before you complete your purchase. To begin, open your browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use any browser you prefer, as long as you're able to search the web and copy text from a page. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and search for CouponFollow. This is the site where you'll look for available Hostinger coupon codes. After the search results appear, open the CouponFollow website so you can continue. When you're on the site, use the search bar and enter Hostinger. This should bring up the available coupon listings related to Hostinger. Take a moment to look through the results carefully, since coupon pages can sometimes show several offers. What you're looking for is the option to reveal the actual promo code. When you find a suitable offer, click on Show Coupon Code. This will display the code that you can use during checkout. Make sure to copy the code exactly as it appears. It's important to copy it correctly because even a small mistake, like an extra space or a missing character, can cause the code not to work. After copying the code, go to Hostinger and start purchasing the plan you want. As you move through the checkout process, look for the field where a promo code, coupon code, or discount code can be entered. Paste the code you copied into that box. Before finishing your purchase, double-check that the discount has been applied. This is a helpful step because sometimes promo codes only work for specific plans or during certain promotional periods. If the code is valid, you should see the updated price before you pay. And that's it. The process is very straightforward. Open your browser, search for CouponFollow, look up Hostinger. Reveal the coupon code, copy it, and paste it during checkout when purchasing your plan. Following these steps can help you apply a discount quickly and make sure you don't miss out on available savings.